Welcome and good morning to all my dear students. I am Dr. G.B. Shendge, Assistant Professor, Department of Agronomy, College of Agriculture, Baramati. In 5th semester, the new course of agronomy is offered to you, that is Agro 247. The course title is Farming System and Sustainable Agriculture. Course number Agro 247. Credits 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. This is only theoretical course. Total marks 40 for theory exam and 10 marks for mid exam. First, see the syllabus of this course. The total number of lectures, there is total 16 lectures of this course. Name of topic and weightage. Lecture number 1 and 2 weightage is 8%. Lecture number 3 weightage 4%. Lecture number 4 weightage 8%. Lecture number 5 and 6 8%. Lecture number 7 4%. Lecture number 8 and 9 for 12% weightage. Lecture number 10 and 11 for 10% weightage. Lecture number 12 8% weightage. Lecture number 13 10% weightage. Lecture number 14 10% weightage, and lecture number 15 and 16 the weightage is 10% and 8%. Okay, this is the syllabus of this course. First, see the lecture number 1. The title of this lecture is Farming System, which includes definition, scope, concept and objectives of farming system. Okay, now see the what is meant by farming system or introductory part of this lecture. First, see the meaning of farm, farming and system. Okay, what is meant by farm? Farm, it is a unit or it is a area of land where all the agricultural operations are carried out, that is called as farm. Or it is an area of land or area of building which is used for growing crops and rearing of animals, that is called as farm. The area of land which is used for rearing of different crops and area of the building which is used for rearing of different animals like cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, poultry, etc. That is called as farm. It is the unit area or it is the land or it is the area of land and buildings which is used for growing crops and rearing of animals is called as farm. Then farming. Farming means it is the process of harnessing solar energy in the form of economic plant and animal product, that is called as farming. Farming means cultivation of crops or rearing of animals and their output or their yield, which is in terms of the yield or milk yield or grain yield or straw yield. It is the economic plant and animal product, that is called as farming. Harnessing the solar energy by maximum utilization of solar energy in the form of economic plant and animal products. By using the solar energy by the plants which increase their yield, and the economic product, that is the grain yield and straw yield, and from the animals, that is milk yield, etc. This is called as economic plant and animal product, that is called as farming. And system. System means it is a set of elements or components that are interrelated or interacting among themselves, that is called as system. System means it is a set of elements or it is also called as components. Means components means carrying different enterprises. Okay, set of elements or components that components or that enterprises which are interrelated or interacting among themselves. परस्पर संबंध, एकमेकाशी निगडीत असलेले व्यवसाय. सेट ऑफ एलिमेंट्स और components that are closely related or interacting among themselves, that is called as system. Okay, and see the what is meant by farming system. Definition of farming system. Okay, it is an farming system means it is an integration of farm enterprises such as a cropping system, animal husbandry, fishery, piggery, poultry, forestry, beekeeping, sericulture, etc. for optimum utilization of available resources and bringing prosperity to the farmer. That is called as farming system. Farming system means in the farming system all the enterprises like fishery, poultry, piggery, duckery, then cropping, then livestock management, beekeeping, sericulture, etc. These are the different enterprises. Okay, then integration of these enterprises for which purpose? For optimum utilization of available resources. Available resources means that is the renewable or non-renewable resources or natural resources, that is the land, water, sunlight, etc. That is maximum utilization of available resources, which brings prosperity to the farmers, which gives economic profit or gives more net profit to the farmers. That is called as farming system. Farming system means integration of different enterprises for which purpose? For optimum utilization of available resources, and it brings prosperity to the farmer. That is called as farming system. Another definition of farming system is it is a decision making tool and land use unit comprising the farm, household, cropping, livestock system that produces the crops and animal products for consumption and sale. It is a decision making tool in which the farm, household, cropping and livestock system that produces from the crops which produces the grain yield, and from the livestock which produces the animal products like milk yield, and these products are used for the consumption of family or it is used for selling purpose. That is called as farming system. Another definition is it is a resource management strategy to achieve economic and sustained agricultural production to meet diverse requirements of farm livelihood while preserving resource base and maintaining high level of environmental quality. That is called as farming system. It is a resource management strategy. Okay, management of resources, that is natural resources, renewable and resources. Okay, to achieve, for which purpose? Management of these resources for achieving the economic and sustained agricultural production, for achieving the economically and sustained agricultural production to meet the demand of present generation or population of farm livelihood while preserving, okay, to fulfill the demands of present generation by preserving resources base and maintaining high level of environmental quality. You have to meet the demand of present generation without affecting the environmental quality or without affecting the soil, by maintaining the environmental quality. That is called as farming system. This is the definition of farming system. Then see the scope of farming system. The need of farming system approach in the present scenario is mainly due to high cost of farm inputs. Due to the high cost of farm inputs, the cost of cultivation is increases and net profit of the farmer is decreases. The fluctuation in the market price of farm produce, risk in the crop harvest due to the climatic changes or climatic vagaries and biotic factors, environmental degradation, depletion of soil fertility and productivity, the unstable income of the farmers, the fragmentation of holdings and low standard of living add to the intensity of the problems in the agriculture. In the farming system, which includes the different enterprises like cropping system, livestock, poultry, fishery, tree crop, there is forestry, plantation crops, sericulture, beekeeping, etc. Okay, it is a combination of one or more enterprises. Integration or combination of one or more enterprises which cropping, at time of cropping we have to carefully choose, planned and executed. The cropping when carefully chosen, planned and executed, and due to that it gives greater dividends, which gives greater income to the farmers than a single enterprises, especially for small and marginal farmers. The farming system which is mostly beneficial to the small and marginal farmers. Small and marginal farmers means the farmers having land holding is less than 1 hectare, that is called as marginal farmers, and less than 1 to 2 hectare area land holdings, that is called as small farmers. The farming system is beneficial to the small and marginal farmers. Due to that, due to the different enterprises which gives greater income or greater profit to the farmers as compared to the single enterprises. Combination or integration of different enterprises which gives more profit to the farmers as compared to the single enterprise. Farm, it is a basic unit is to be considered and planned from effective integration of the enterprises. This the farm is a basic unit in which the different enterprises are carried out, and it is a it is planned for effective integration of the enterprises to be combined with crop production. Okay, the different enterprises which are combined or which are interrelated or interacting the crop production. The integration of farm enterprises which depends on many factors. The integration of different farm enterprises which are depends on the different factors or many factors. The factors are, first, that is soil and climatic features of the selected area. Okay, you have to first you have to study the different soil and different climatic conditions of the selected area. Suppose तुम्हाला शुगरकेन किंवा राईस हे क्रॉप लावायचं असेल एखाद्या एरियामध्ये, तर त्या एरियाचं त्या क्लायमेट किंवा सॉईल ह्या त्या क्रॉपसाठी सुटेबल आहे का नाही याचा अगोदर स्टडी केला पाहिजे. किंवा अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ रिसोर्सेस, लँड, लेबर अँड कॅपिटल. यू हॅव टू स्टडी द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ डिफरंट रिसोर्सेस like land, labor and capitals. Okay, then present level of utilization of resources. Present utilization of resources is maximum or minimum, high or less. The economics of proposed integrated farming system. The proposed, you have to first calculate the economics of proposed integrated farming, that is called as IFS system, integrated farming system models. This is the profitable to the farmers or unprofitable to the farmers. Then managerial skill of the farmers. Okay, you have to check the managerial skill or management skill of the farmers for carrying different enterprises. These are the different factors. Okay, the integration of farm enterprises. Then next, that is the concept of farming system. Okay, in the first step, first is the farming system is a set of agricultural activities. Okay, farming system is a set of agriculture activities, means suppose in the cropping from sowing to harvesting the different operations are carried out, that is called a set. Okay, set of different package of practices. Same as like the farming system is a set of agricultural activities organized into the functional unit. The functional unit that is called as farm, to harness solar energy profitably while preserving the land productivity and environmental quality and maintaining desired level of biological diversity and ecological stability. It is the farming system which includes it is the set of agricultural activities. In these activities, you have to harness the solar energy which is profitable to the farmers or which increases the yield of the crop, but preserving the land productivity without affecting the environmental quality, without affecting the soil fertility, or without creating the environmental pollution which is safe to the environments. You have to increase the yield of the crop. Okay, the sustainability is the objective of farming system. Okay, the main objective of farming system is sustainability. Sustainability means tikau, long duration. Okay, you have to maintain the soil fertility long duration. Okay, that is called as sustainability. It is the objective of farming system where production process is optimized through efficient utilization of inputs. Production is increased by efficient or by maximum utilization of inputs without affecting or without impairing the quality of soil, without affecting or without reducing the soil fertility, without creating the pollution, without affecting the environment and natural resources with which interacts. That is the called as sustainability. The concept of farming system is to earn profit from different enterprises. Okay, by carrying the different enterprises, we have to earn maximum profit from the enterprises to preserve land productivity, efficient utilization of available resources. You have to maintain the soil fertility or preserve or increase the land productivity, to preserve the environmental quality without affecting the environment or without creating the pollution. You have to increase the yield of crop, that is to preserve environmental quality, and to maintain desirable level of biological diversity and ecological stability. through the farming system you have to maintain the desirable level of biological diversity of different crops and ecological stability. Then the objectives of farming system, this is the most important point, that is the objectives of farming system. First most important objective of farming system is to identify existing farming system in specific area and assess their relative viability. Okay, first you have to identify the existing farming system in specific area or in specific place and assess their viability, which is profitable to the farmers or not. To formulate farming system models, you have to develop the different farming system models involving main and allied enterprises for different situations, for different farming situations like dry farming, dryland farming and rainfed farming. You have to develop the different indicative farming system models according to the different farming situations, which involves with the models which involves the main and allied enterprises. Main enterprises, that is the cropping, and allied enterprises means which are related to each other. For example, for the cropping, okay, the livestock, okay, buffalo rearing, cattle rearing, this is the allied enterprises. Okay, after harvesting of crops or after taking the economic part of the plant, the remaining material, that is the straws, leaves, etc., that is used for fodder for the animals, that is the allied enterprises which are related to each others. Okay. Then to ensure optional utilization and conservation of available resources and effective recycling of farm residue within a system. Okay. In the farming system or in the integrated farming system models, you have to conserve the resources of and effective recycling of farm residue. Farm residue means after harvesting of crops or after taking the economic part of the plant, that is crops, the remaining material, that is called as farm residue. Okay, this residue is used for as a fodder purpose, or it is also incorporated into the soil, which adds the fertility of the soil, or after it is used for fodder purpose. Okay, proper utilization or recycling of farm residues within a system to maintain sustainable production system without damaging the resources or environment. To maintain the sustainable production of the crop or different enterprises without affecting or without damaging or without creating the environmental pollution, or which are dangerous to the environments. Okay. Then to raise overall profitability of farm household by complementing main or allied enterprises with each other. The profitability of the farmers is increased by complementing the main and allied enterprises with each other by carrying the different enterprises, main and allied, that enterprises are interrelated with each others. Okay, the input of one enterprises as a output of another enterprises. Okay, suppose in the cropping system, the main product, that is the grain yield, okay, and the remaining material, that is not good or not used. Okay, this waste material or this byproduct is used as the input of another enterprise like livestock. This farm residue is used for fodder of the livestock. The waste material of livestock, that is the cow dung, okay, this is used as the input of another enterprises like gobar gas or biogas. Okay, this dung, from this dung methane gas is produced. Okay, and the waste material of biogas, that is the dung, cow dung slurry, and this is used as the input of another enterprises like at the time of cultivation of crops, the FIM is applied to the crops. Okay, these are the interrelated or interacting among themselves. Okay, this is the objectives of farming system. This is the whole information about farming system, meaning, definition, scope, concept and objectives of farming system. Okay, thank you.